Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm shooting a very special video on one of our 2018 Chevy Camaros. Now this specific Camaro is a 2LT model that comes custom with your matte black hood and custom 18-inch black aluminum rims. Now this Camaro is a manual transmission that is equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine. Now Apple Chevrolet is offering its customers the option between 15% off or 0% financing for 72 months with an additional $1,000 in savings if they finance through GM Financial. Now when we get in this vehicle, we can see that there is a cross between leather and cloth seating with a decently sized back seat that's all leather. Now when we get in, we can see that we do have our Chevy MyLink radio with heated and cooling seats. We have our standard cruise control and even a Bose audio system. This is Johnny at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.